says Modus had a little accident. Have to glue his ween back on. This is all the Halloween candy that I'm getting. Oh, I didn't mean to grab 2 of those, but a lot. I just bought these. That guy's broke, but I'm gonna fix it. It'll be really easy. What?
Can he fit in your car?
I hope so. I don't know. I don't have a lot of room in there. said he was broken, but he popped up and he's resetting. I'm guessing his relay switch must not be working. So when he gets down, he sits there and spins for a little bit. That's what my guess is. Ooh, he's getting weak though. He's resetting really bad. I think his belt is bad though. Yeah, yep, it's the belt. Okay, well that's an easy fix. Yeah, it's just the belt. That's the broken Mr. Dark still. If I bring the working Mr. Dark, he might move over there somewhere. Because I'll want the other Mr. Dark here, probably. I don't know. We'll see. Gotta bring a chair for her. It's gonna be I'll probably bring about 10 more animatronics from storage. Pop-up grave zombie is going in between them. The jumping spiders and resurrection Mary will probably go in that front part. We can't put any in the front part that have cords, so there's no tripping hazard. Originally, the scarecrows, witches, and skeletons were all going to go over here, but that idea got scrapped for safety reasons and to make sure nothing gets stolen, because these gates get locked. They have them up again. They have the Home Depot twins, pumpkin twins. Still one with Count Vigor. Huh. To see if this actually tastes like a Chuck E. Cheese pizza. She's just gonna be ecstatic. All her wires are still ripped off for the demon. His welding broke. This is where it attaches and makes it lurch. I can just fix it up with some zip ties. Just zip tying this around here. That'll work. Still, of course, not done yet. Ellie hatchet. I don't know. I don't think she's gonna work. I think her springs are still bad. So I doubt she's gonna slam down her hatchet. She's mostly just here as static, but yeah. Yay, best Halloween ever. We have a snowstorm. Hopefully the snow will be melted by the time Halloween happens on Tuesday. It's Thursday and this is the only day it's supposed to snow, but it's going to remain cold, so the snow may not melt. This is going to suck. Not good at all. I don't understand why I can't wait till after Halloween to do this. Every year there's at least one snowfall before Halloween. Every year. I don't understand. Just wait till Halloween's over, then snow as much as you want, but just don't take away our holiday. Supposed to get up to 5 to 8 inches, or was it feet? No, not feet, sorry. But yeah, my stuff is covered in snow right now, so